Hi guys, welcome to another Thursday, another unboxing with your girl Caroline. Yeah, it's Honey Fashion Accessories. So excited today as we're going to be unboxing some orders for our clients. So if you also want to place your orders, you can contact me on WhatsApp 078-249-5535, and remember that your orders are delivered every Thursday and you can start picking them up from Friday. So let's see what we have today. I'm gonna start with this little honey bag. It's a maroon little number for those who like small crossbody bags. This is for you. It's got 2 pockets inside and a small little pocket outside with our honey. Remember, honey is a brand on its own, so Honey Fashion Accessories is a brand. For those who like to go to work in a fashionable way, we've got this beauty lunch bag, which was actually on special last week for $189. Our normal price is $289, but this was on special, so you can get hold of me. You put your hot or cold lunches in your Honey Fashion Accessories lunch bag. Okay, let's go to our shoes. As you all know, our shoes have got a nice box where you can put them back again after you have unboxed it. We had this special that was also going on last week, our autumn special of these lovely red sandals. We do have all the sizes available in stock, so hurry up whilst the sale is still on and order yours. They're going only for $389 from $589. We've got this popular gray bag. Everyone has been ordering this bag. It's a tote bag. You can use it if you're a mommy for your nappies. If you're going to school, you can use it for your books. Somebody also asked me if they can put their laptop in there, and yes, you can put your laptop in there. It's a nice big tote bag and it's going for $189. Another pair of shoes. We have these reading glasses from Honey. Nice pair of blue reading glasses, turquoise blue reading glasses. This is number 1. We've got up to number 3. Your nice beautiful reading glasses. Can you see? Beautiful. What else do we have? We've got another pair of reading glasses. They were on special this week. They were going for 2 for $189 each. The normal price is $189 each, but they were on special for 2 for $189. So buy one, get one free. So this one is a nice pink one. It's also a number 1. It's an A reading glasses. We also had another special of the reading glasses. Different color. This is a dark pink color again of the reading glasses. So they're also going for $189. Buy one, get one free. At Honey Fashion Accessories, remember, we also have a brand of our own fragrance. So this one is Legacy for Him, inspired by Downhill Desire. Also have a pair of shades for men. Actually, this is a pair of shades for men. Nice black shades for your men whilst they're driving out there in the sun. Look how beautiful they are. They're also going for $289. So today was a very short day. Thank you guys so much for joining us at Honey Fashion Accessories Unboxing with Caroline. For more orders, join me every Thursday whilst we unpack our orders. And if you want to order, remember you can WhatsApp me on 078-249-5535. Have a great week. Thank you. Bye.